to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and we are doing a cooking with me vegan adventures, another episode with my girl Mousse. Okay, so she's plant-based, I am balance-based. Okay, I like to have balanced diet. So we are making dessert today. So last night I was like on Pinterest trying to look for stuff, and I came across a recipe for pumpkin mousse. Pumpkin but y'all know I like sweet potato, so I have a whole bunch of sweet potatoes here. So we are going to make a sweet potato mousse, vegan though. So we are going to make the cream with a coconut cream, and we're going to use the sweet potato, and that's basically it. All we need is the cream from the coconut and the sweet potato, and we have the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and we have maple syrup for a sweetener. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to strain the sweet potato, because if you know, the sweet potato has like those little grainy fibers in between it, and I don't want that. I want the mousse to be smooth, like mousse. So consistency is on point. So now we're going to set these up in the refrigerator. So we're back. Versa is my camera woman, so she's here. So if you see her off screen, that's where she's at. She's trying to get that second angle for you guys. So I'm trying to do some neat shit here, okay? So as you can see in the previous footage, we tried to figure out, we sat here, trial and error, and figured out that the coconut cream had solidified. So we just did a double boiler method where we set the bowl on top of the pot and let it just melt down. Literally, it wasn't hot, it was just the heat from the water, the heat from the boiled water just literally melted the coconut cream, and it made it a nice smooth consistency. And I set it up in the refrigerator, and now let's see what it actually looks like. I feel like, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, so once again, all plant-based kind of theme. So non-dairy, coconut cream, ready whip. I've never used this before. I'm gonna do a tester just to see what it'd be like. It feels watery. It feels watery. So I just wanna see. That's good. That's real good. So do you want some?
Please.
Okay. I'm excited. So we're gonna top these with this. I feel like that's extra. All right. And then we also have some Biscoff cookie crumbles. You want some of these too? Okay. We're gonna Biscoff cookie crumbles on here. And then Miss Marissa, she don't like pecans, but I got some candy pecans that I'm going to sprinkle on top of mine's as well. I feel like that's extra AF, but it is okay. And you know, there we are. All right, we're getting ready to try. I'm so excited. So let's dig in. This is the sweet potato mousse. Okay. Definitely, I would do more of the nutmeg and the cinnamon because I'll keep it 100 with y'all. I got so discouraged when it didn't come out how the way it was supposed to. I just kind of like gave up. And then we did some we did some thinking. I don't know, I can't think of the word right now. And we basically kind of brought it back together because I honestly thought it was a fail. And it wasn't a fail.
Yeah.
But most definitely I would do more of the nutmeg and the cinnamon. But it's definitely a vibe.
Like,
I hope you guys enjoyed this dessert alternative for all you vegan plant-based people out there.
delicious.
It is. It's definitely a vibe. Once again, I will leave Marissa's information down below so you can get in contact with her via social media. Are you gonna have a YouTube channel? Do you have one?
I have one.
Okay.
I don't have any videos.
Okay. Okay.
But I have one.
But I will put the name down
Thank you.
so people can subscribe to it. So you can be ready. So you gotta get ready. You gotta stay ready. So you gotta get ready. But comment down below any suggestions that you guys want to see on Cook With Me Vegan Adventures. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.